In this video, we will turn any text into a smoke, snow, rain, or into anything. First, select the type tool and write something. Pick a bold font and make the text large. From the Align panel, click Align horizontally and Align vertically to place the text in the middle. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Gaussian Blur. We cannot just add Gaussian Blur to the text layer. It won't work. We need to create an adjustment layer, and here we can apply the Gaussian Blur. Now increase the blurriness. If you see a border in the text, then uncheck Repeat Edge Pixels. Since we add the blur in an adjustment layer, so it means all the layers that are below this adjustment layer will have the Gaussian blur effect. But we can control the blur. We can only apply the blurriness in specific areas of the text. This is why we need some other clips. Here I have few clips. Let's drag and drop the smoke clip here. We want this smoke clip to shape the blur effect. We're gonna use this smoke layer as a luma matte for the blur effect. That means white areas will show and black areas will be hidden, just like the layer mask in Photoshop. But before that, we need to tweak the smoke a bit. Let's add some blur here so that the smoke becomes softer. Apply the Gaussian blur to the smoke layer. Increase the blurriness according to your need. Also, we need to increase the contrast. Add a curves. Make the bright brighter and the dark darker. Now for the adjustment layer, select the Clip 2 layer for the track matte. If you don't see the track matte option here, then click the expand or collapse icon from the bottom left side. Now select Clip 2 from here. Nothing happened because the alpha matte is selected. We need the luma matte. Click this icon again. This will change it to luma matte. Now we can see the smoke effect is working. From effect controls, you can always adjust the blurriness for the smoke layer or for the adjustment layer. Increase the blurriness will make the smoke softer. If you want the smoke effect only apply at the upper part of the text, then click the adjustment layer and select the rectangle tool. Now drag a rectangle at the lower part of the text. Make sure the adjustment layer is selected, otherwise it will create a shape. We need a mask here. Now invert the mask. Expand the mask and increase the feather. It will make the edges softer. But for this tutorial, let's apply the smoke effect to the whole text. We need a background. Right now it's black and that's why you cannot see the smoke effect properly. Let's add this clip for the background. Now we can see the effect clearly. I'll add some blur to the background video to focus the text. Let's add a Gaussian blur to the background. Adding some noise will look good. Right click and go to New and create an adjustment layer. From Effects and Presets, search for Noise. Apply it to the new adjustment layer. Increase the amount of noise and uncheck Use Color Noise. Now it looks much better. I have few more clips here that can be used to matte the text. Let's use the snow clip. To apply the new snow clip, you don't need to do it all over again. Just select the clip you want to replace here, which is the clip 2. Now hold Alt or Option and drag and drop the new clip on the top of the clip 2. It will replace the new clip and keep all the effects that were applied on clip 2. Sometimes you may want to adjust the clip. You may need to make it smaller or bigger. Press S for scale and adjust the size. I have a bird clip here. You can also use this one. But the best part is the text is editable. Select the type tool and you can change the text. All the effects will remain on the new text. So this is how you can easily create a smoke, snow or rain text effect in Adobe After Effects. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.